Hi, I'm Joel Nelson and I'm the Restaurant Account Manager here at Paragon Marketing Group. Restaurants have their own set of rules when it comes to social media. There are many things that come into play when it comes to social media marketing. We always get asked by restaurant owners about 5 specific questions. So today I want to answer those for you. First of all, we always get asked, what social media should I be using? Well, here's the answer. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+ is what we would suggest. If you're looking for businesses or doing catering, then we would also suggest LinkedIn. What about Yelp or other listing sites? Yes, you need to be on Yelp, and you need to be listed across all digital sites that make sense for your business. The keywords to this site that make sense, for instance, do you not need to list on doctors.com or any specific site like that? Some of the most important ones are other than the ones we talked about. In social media are allmenus.com, local.com, Foursquare, tripadvisor, and superpages, just to name a few. Are pictures important? You have to strike an emotional chord with anything you post. We as humans make 10,000 decisions a day according to polls. 90% of those subconsciously. Restaurants need to be very picture-centric for postings. They also need to educate to people as to why. When people look at your picture, you want them to be hungry, you want them to come eat what you have. What else needs to be posted? Events, specials, menus, hours, really anything about your restaurant that you can think of. Community involvement is a big one for millennials to see. Run contests, have some fun with it. Last but not least, many restaurants ask about rewards. One of my most memorable was a German restaurant. If you drink so many pints of large over a 6-month period, then you get your very own beer stein. A reward can be simple like a free appetizer for your birthday, or buy 9 dinners, get 1 free. It doesn't really matter what it is. It's a psychological breakthrough for every person. They feel they are being rewarded for being valued. Thank you for listening to me today. If you'd like a no-charge marketing evaluation for your restaurant, then please comment on this post or call 262-443-9092 or email me at the address below. We hope you have a great day. Thank you.